So first today we will solve this yellow band. Yellow band is of color yellow. This we have to solve. This is the one more yellow. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 8 colors. So let's start today's yellow layer. 2 are already there. Second layer, just shift. We joined 3 colors currently. One more is here. Shift it and roll the last layer. When you pull it up, you will get 2 layers. This is how we solve it. One more is put all down, rotate 2 times. When it comes on the line, just twist the above. See, we got Y shape. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors we got. Now the pending is corner 1. Corner 1 is here, 1 is here, 2 are here. We have to shift it to middle. Rotate, sneeze, rotate, go back, once again, rotate. You know that in the last we will have this one color on the above, last one, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors we got. Rest one are here and here. This is how we solve it. This is how we solve it. So make sure you are on the layer. So next layer is just leave it as it is. How much is done? Next layer is, let's take orange or green. I'll take orange first. Rotate the last layer. Hold the front. Hold the front. We got 4 colors. Rotate, 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 rotate. We got 5 colors. One more is just going off with the lane. That is the last one. 6th, 7th, 8th layer. Now let's take purple. Purple, I have 4 colors. 4 colors. Currently, my aim is to solve it with all the rest of the 4. Rotate, rotate both layers. Scribble, scribble, scribble. Do it, keep on doing it until you will get all green on the same line. Rotate. Do it for the one last time. That is this one. All should be same. Don't forget. This is the last layer. It's the last layer I'm going to solve. Let's take orange. Today's concept orange. Luckily we got 4 orange. We got 5 orange. Five orange, 6th orange, 7th orange. This is how we'll solve it. This is the pyramid I made. So I hope you liked the video. Like, share and comment. Thank you.